Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can develop a game using JavaScript, a game something like the dinosaur game we have on Google Chrome, and you can even develop more. Let's get started. We will be using Kaboom.JS. So there are multiple ways of using Kaboom.JS. One of them is using CDN. So if you want to use it with CDN, then you can just go to the website and then you can just copy the script and then just put it inside the body tag in your main HTML, and then you can just create a main JavaScript file and then just start using Kaboom.js. We will be using npm to install Kaboom. In order to use Kaboom using npm, you need to have a bundler. We will be using parcel in this video, so let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is you need to have parcel installed. So if you don't have parcel installed, then you can write this to install parcel globally. Next thing is you need to have Kaboom. So you can just write npm install Kaboom. After doing all of this, first thing is we'll create the index.html, and we'll also create index, let's just say index.js. So in the index.html we will just have basic HTML. After that, we can start using it. First we will import Kaboom from Kaboom, and so this is how you initialize Kaboom. And inside package.json we will write the start script. So in start we'll just write parcel with a port, or you can give any port. After that you can just write npm run start, and there you go. If you see something like this, it means it is working, and then you can start developing your game. This is basically the canvas that we have. And let's just say if you want to change the background of it, then you can just do background and then put in the RGB value. Let's say we will do it black. So this is how it is. Maybe you want to change it, then you can do something, you can change the numbers, and this is how it looks. So this was it. This is how you can initialize Kaboom and get started with it. So this was it for this video. In the next video I will be showing you how you can import your sprites, your sounds, and all about Kaboom.js, and how we can actually start developing game using it. So that was it for this video. Thank you for watching.